Education loan, one of the most important loans in India, because it is not for luxury, it is for building a future. Every year, lakhs of students dream of becoming doctors, engineers, MBA graduates, or studying abroad. But education cost is very high. Not every family can pay fees in one shot. That's where education loan helps. But many people take education loans without understanding. What is moratorium? When EMI really starts? Why parents are involved? What happens if job is delayed? So today, we will explain everything step by step in very simple language so that students and parents both understand clearly. What is an education loan? An education loan is money given by a bank or financial institution to support college fees, hostel fees, books, laptop travel for abroad studies. Who can take it? Student is the main borrower. Parent or guardian is the co-borrower. Very important. Education. Loan is an investment in knowledge, not an expense. Types of education. Loans in India. Education loan for studies in India, used for engineering, medical MBA, degree courses, professional courses. Interest rate, lower risk, less approval, easier to. Education loan for studies abroad, used for MS, MBA, medicine, international universities. Interest rate, slightly higher for documents. More currency risk? Yes, government versus private banks. Government banks, lower interest, longer moratorium. Private banks, faster processing, stricter rules. What expenses are covered? Education loan can cover tuition fees, hostel and AMP, mess charges, exam fees, books and AMP, stationery, laptop, computer, travel cost, abroad, insurance, sometimes. Always ask bank for expense coverage list. Moratorium period explained. Way, role of parents in education. Loan parents play a very big role. Why are parents involved? Student has no income. Bank needs guarantee. Parents become co-borrower. Parent responsibilities. Sign loan agreement. Provide income proof support. EMI if student delays job. Education loan is family responsibility, not only students. Security and AMP, collateral in education, loan without collateral, up to Rs 7.5 lakhs, usually. Based on at admission and AMP, marks loan with collateral, property, FD, insurance policy, higher loan, is higher security. Interest rate and AMP, EMI structure, average interest rates, India studies, 8%, 10%, abroad studies, 9%, 13% interest type, reducing balance, EMI. Example, loan is Rs 10,000, interest is 9%, tenure, 10 years, the EMI Rs 12,700. Approx. Documents required. Student documents, Aadhaar, IN admission letter, fee structure, academic records, parent documents, Aadhaar and AMP, PAN, income proof bank statements, ITR, if applicable, collateral documents, if any, property papers, valuation report. 8. What if student doesn't get job? This is a common fear. Banks may extend moratorium, restructure, EMI, allow temporary interest payment, never ignore bank communication, tax benefits on education, loan. Under Section 80E, interest paid is 100% tax deductible, no upper limit, available for 8 years. Big advantage compared to other loans. Common mistakes to avoid. Taking loan without checking course value. Ignoring interest during moratorium. Choosing private bank blindly. Not planning EMI after job. Parents not understanding liability. Education. Loan. Good or bad? Good if course has job potential. Reputed institute. EMI planning done risky. If no clear career plan, very expensive. Course with low ROI. Final summary. Let's revise. Education loan supports dreams. Moratorium gives breathing time. Parents are key partners. Interest planning is crucial. Job planning is equally important. Education loan is powerful if used wisely. If you found this video useful, like the video, comment your doubts, subscribe for more loan and AMP finance knowledge. Watch our other videos on EMI, CBL, score, personal loans, home loans, study smart. Borrow wisely. Build your future. Thank you for watching.